Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert notes in Google Sheets on computer. How to insert notes in Google Sheets on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. Here I have prepared the text or table that I will insert notes. Go straight to the column that will be Insert Comments. Then move the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap Insert. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. Down itself. And tap the Note menu. Now Insert Notes will appear. Now here you can give a note by typing here. To see it, move the cursor to the text. Now here the note that I added earlier will automatically appear. So that's it, tutorial how to insert notes in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.